What's up, y'all? Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve this super easy hairstyle using Aunt Jackie's Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly. So I'm going to go ahead and start off by taking my hair out of this bun. I'll be working on freshly washed, cleansed hair today. And I'm going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle. I'm going to be parting it in a zigzag motion, as you can see I'm doing. And as you can see, I have that parted off. I'm going to go ahead and grab the right side of my hair. I'm going to clip that out of the way. And then I'm going to grab a little bit of that coconut curly jelly and apply that to my hair. Make sure that's evenly distributed through the right side of my hair. And I really love this gel so much. It gives a really nice soft hold. I don't have to worry about any crunchiness at all. I'm going to go ahead and grab the Aunt Jackie's Tame My Edges edge control and make sure my edges are nice and smooth. I'm going to go ahead and brush that in, and I'm also going to be brushing the roots of my hair as well on the top, just to make sure my hair is looking nice, smooth, and sleek all the way around. Next, I'm going to grab my bobby pins, because I will need that for the style. I'm going to go ahead and twist up the right side of my hair, as you can see I'm doing. In this really simple, easy, cute twist, I'm just going to go ahead and grab those bobby pins and pin it down. And then I'll be repeating the exact same thing on the other side. I'm going to be adding a little bit of that Curl Boss Coconut Curling Jelly again. Just making sure that's evenly distributed throughout my hair. And let me just tell y'all, it smells amazing. I'm going to go ahead and take my white doof comb and comb that out. Grab my edge control again, smooth down my edges, brush that out. And just like I did on the other side, I'm twisting the left side up, and then I'll be grabbing my bobby pins and pinning that side down as well. I'm gonna grab my gold clips and just spice up the style a little bit more and add those onto the twists. I'm gonna grab my brush and smooth down my baby hairs and my sideburn hairs. And this is the finished look. Such a simple, easy, cute style. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you decide to try it, definitely make sure you let me know in the comments below. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.